Winterization. I do want to apologize that my boat looks like such shit right now, but this is typical of every haul out period. Just after you've been hauled out and before you actually finish up winterizing, everything's sort of piled up on top of each other. I got winterization supplies and just the regular stuff that sits on the boat, tools and whatnot. Stuff I'm going to remove, like those plates, etc. Point being is, I'm going to go through all the food stuff on board right now. There's plenty of stuff in the galley. I took the doors off to make it a little easier for me to look at it. And I want to remove anything that's going to attract any kind of bugs or mice. It's not so bad here where I am on the Hudson Valley, but I've had mice invade before, and you know, fool me once, right? Second thing I'm going to do is take my handy dandy 12-volt refrigerator and get that all emptied out. There's still quite a few items in there from the season, and I had this running until just today because fortunately for me, I have tons of solar, tons more than I actually need to keep the batteries charged, even with this refrigerator running, which is, I might add, very efficient. We have these on the site too. Solar supplies and etc. also on the site, but I digress. This little thing's been great, and I want to just get all the stuff out of it, and you know, since I'm not going to be here, I don't need to refrigerate anything, and shit, even if I want to leave some beers or drinks on board, it's going to be cold enough out here that I'll have cold drinks. In any case, I'm just going to go ahead and clean this out, and I'm going to be finishing up for today. Pretty soon I'll be coming back to try and tent this thing over. It's going to be a bit of a challenge because I had the boom, the mast taken down this year, and I usually use the boom as a upright for my tent. But anyway, we'll be back with more very soon. Thanks for checking us out. Peace out.